Hello, viewers of Ebonyi People TV. We are excited to bring you the latest update on one of the most talked about projects in Abakaliki today, the ongoing construction of the Vanco Flyover Junction. Now, we know there's been some mixed reactions surrounding Governor Francis Ogbonna Nwifuru's decision to prioritize this particular project, this flyover over other projects. But let's talk about why this project is actually very, very important for the state's development. So, for those unfamiliar with this location, Vanco Junction is one of the busiest intersections in Abakaliki. If you've ever been stuck in traffic at this junction as a resident during peak hours, and I mean peak hours in the mornings, late in the evenings, you know how chaotic it can get. Cars, motorcycles, buses, all vying for space, which causes massive delays and even accidents sometimes. For many residents, driving through Vanco Junction is a daily stress, and the need for a long term solution has been clear for years. Governor Winfrey's decision to build a flyover at this spot isn't just some vanity project, but rather a strategic move aimed at solving these traffic woes and improving mobility for the residents and visitors of Ebonyi State. As with any major project, opinions are divided, definitely. Some residents have expressed concerns, questioning why the governor choose another flyover when there are so many flyovers in the state and way more important issues to tackle. Issues like healthcare, schools, and rural development. And while we totally understand those concerns, let's not forget that easing traffic congestion is a critical part of urban planning. A smooth transportation system has a ripple effect on other areas of society, including commerce, safety, and quality of life generally. Many other states in Nigeria, especially in the southeast, are known for their multiple flyovers that help reduce accidents and traffic jams. Ebonyi State is catching up in that regard, and this project is part of a broader plan to modernize our infrastructure. Despite the mixed reactions, progress on the Vancon Junction flyover is steady. As of the last update, the foundation work is well underway with construction crews working around the clock to meet the set deadlines. For now, we can't really say the speculated deadline. Governor Ogbonna Nwifuru, known for his hands-on approach, has been visiting the site regularly to inspect the progress and make sure everything is going according to plan. For those still unsure about the flyover's impact, consider this. Once completed, this project will significantly reduce travel time through the junction, allowing for smoother movement of goods and people. It will also reduce the number of accidents, which are all too common at this high traffic intersection. In all fairness, many people may wonder why focus on infrastructure when Ebonyi has other pressing needs. Well, here is why. Infrastructure forms the backbone of every thriving economy. You can all agree with that. When you improve transportation, you attract investment, right? Businesses can operate more efficiently and people can move freely, leading to a boost in both commerce and daily life. When completed, the Vanco Junction flyover will serve as an important gateway for commerce and trade, especially with Ebonyi State's strategic location as a transit point to other parts of the southeast, especially Cross River. Reducing traffic congestion is just one step in the larger picture of making Ebonyi State a commercial and economic hub in the region. Additionally, the flyover project is creating jobs for local construction workers, as you can see in the video, and boosting the economy by providing a steady income for those involved. So, beyond its direct impact on traffic, this project is also benefiting families right now. I mean, as we speak. Here at Ebonyi People TV, we love bringing you updates on the latest developments in our beautiful state, and we couldn't be more excited about the progress on the Vanco Junction flyover. Governor Francis Ogbonna Nwifuru is truly working hard to deliver on his promises, and we think it's only fair to give him credit where it's due, right? It's easy to get caught up in debates about what should or shouldn't be prioritized. But at the end of the day, projects like this flyover are a big part of ensuring our state grows in the right direction. If you've ever been stuck in traffic, we think you'll agree that this flyover is only worth it. It's absolutely necessary. We are keeping a close eye on this particular project and we'll bring you more updates as construction continues. In the meantime, keep tuning into Ebonyi People TV for all the latest news and progress reports on the development happening across the Southeast. And don't forget to like, share, and comment on this post to let us know what you think of the Vanco Flyover project. Stay tuned for more updates.